Holy smokes, dude. I'm gonna go broke if I'm giving away that many. Gosh, look at broke. Shattered, man. Look. Just kicking out free Skittles, man. What's up, guys? So today we're gonna try and get our candy machines ready for our first candy machine location. And I say try because, of course, the Tim O Show wouldn't be the Tim O Show unless we ran into heck of problems. So I'll see you guys on the other side. Oh yeah, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you like the video.
Hey.
Okay, so now we got candy. Now we got to go put our machines together and fill them up with candy and then get them off to our location. So make sure when you're putting your machine together that this is the front, because I just put one together backwards and it wasn't right. So this is the front, the opening. This is how you determine how much you get out of each vend. It's kind of a bummer that you have to take it all the way apart to do this, but there's 6 slots, so I just went to 3 slots. Alright, so we'll do our first test run before I fill it up. I don't like that. I'm gonna go broke if I'm giving away that many. So that's too much, dude. I gotta fix that. All right, guys, so what I ended up doing was just switching it over. So the one I had set to halfway, I ended up using for the peanut M&Ms. And then I just used the Skittles for the other machine. And then this happened. Oh, man, guys. I broke one. So I switched it over, right? I fixed the candy wheel for this one. And then I lifted this one up. I lifted it up off of the stand. And this piece, dude, it just, like, because it's not really attached. Look, it broke. Shattered, man. Because this part is real heavy metal. And when it fell, it just busted the whole thing. Pretty bummed, man. Alright, guys, so I was pretty bummed right here. So I was running out of time. So basically what I had to do is grab another base from another machine. So basically I'm down one machine. So I didn't really film that part, but I just transferred over an old base to the clean parts. Alright, so we adjusted it. Let's see now. Dropping a bunch of extras. Alright, guys, so for some reason this machine with the Skittles, I figured out how to hack it already. Check it out. Nothing in there, right? Look, just kicking out free Skittles, man. Oh well, it's an auto body shop. I'll have to get another one super dialed in before, but I gotta get going. It's already noon. So we're gonna go ahead and just drop this off and, you know, learn a lesson. Maybe I should have bought better machines. All right, guys. So my first candy machine location. We're gonna take it out. You know, I didn't really put into much thought of how full they would be. And then the labels too. I couldn't get the stinking label off of that. It just kept tearing. So we'll just go without a label. You know, it's an auto body shop. I don't really think these guys give a dang. But this one's got a lot of water spots on it. I'm gonna wipe it down a little better. But all right, guys, how about that? And let's go load our machine. So I had to change out some products, so I actually had to make labels on site. It was pretty interesting. All right, let's check them. A quarter in there. All right. Might be kind of skimp on the Skittles, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you're new here and you did like it and you made it all the way to the end, thank you. I really appreciate it. You can go ahead and click this button right here and it'll take you to where you can subscribe. So I'll see you guys on the other side.